Have you ever woke up? The minute you open your eyes, you already know the day is full of bull. That's the way today was, but I'm gonna change it. It may start like that, but I'm not gonna let it end like that.
Can I get you started?
Can I get a large iced golden eagle?
Large iced golden eagle.
And then, what is that, pumpkin?
Caramel pumpkin brulee latte.
Yeah, can I get a hot one?
Hot. And then what size? You'll be tap right here.
So I'm gonna start off by having an extreme amount of sugar. Extreme. I got a large, and last time I got the golden eagle, it tastes good, but it's straight up sugar in a cup. The quality on this is crazy. Big cameras just look so good. I'm shooting on this little rinky dink. No. See, I told you this day is up. There was a girl in front of me, and she reverses like full speed. And she's like, I have a backup camera, bro. What the?
Good morning for Russell.
Yeah.
Okay.
This day, I'm telling you. I got 2 drinks. One was supposed to be hot. I'm gonna check the tape. I swear I said hot. Can I get a hot one? And it's iced. And I don't know, maybe I messed up. I wouldn't doubt it if I messed up. I mean, I'm trying to turn this day around, but this day is trying to turn it back around. My daughters, one of them likes drinks from there, the other one doesn't. So I'm gonna make a second trip to Starbucks and try to make the world happy. All of a sudden, I see some reverse lights come on, and she starts backing up in a drive-through like 5-10 miles per hour. So of course I'm gonna honk my horn. Like, what the hell? And she sticks her head out the window like, I got a backup camera, bro. And you know, I applaud her for having a backup camera and the skills to handle that, but how the hell would I know she has a backup camera, and how would I know she knows how to use it? You don't normally see people like reverse like that in a drive-through. And then she sped off all crazy. So, I mean, obviously, she's a certain type of person. And again, I'm not gonna let her ruin my day, but I am gonna add it to the list. And I will tell you, it's gonna be hard, because you know what? I'm a dweller. I like to dwell on stuff. Stays in my memory bank. It pisses me off all day. It's just been that kind of day. I'm hoping that moving forward, I could turn things around. It's just, some days are like that, you know? I guess it's mindset though, if you want to keep it that way, or if you want to dig your way out of it. So I'm going to try to dig my way out of it. This is in regards to Dutch Bros. Last time I got this drink, I got the medium, and it tasted 10,000% better than this does as a large. And I think that's the same thing I did last time. Like when you get a medium, I think that the ratios are correct. And then when you get a large, I think because the additional milk, it just throws things off. Yeah, I don't know. It's not good. What do they say? Don't cry over spilt milk. That milk spilled a long time ago. It was spoiled. I'm gonna drink my junkie coffee and walk the long way. That way nobody really sees me. saw the airplane, but he can go in there if he wants. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. He just like, usually when I come by here, he just like stares at it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You can stick them in there. So normally, like, when they're like bigger kids, they get crazy and they'll like jump on the wings and stuff. But yeah, but you could put them in there and take a picture or whatever. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Damn. So easily, you could just say, I don't feel like doing it today. Like, I don't want to vlog. I don't want to show up. But I think at the end of the day, this kind of stuff brings me joy. I really enjoy filming. I really enjoy putting out videos and seeing comments from my friends. And, it's been a lot of fun. It's truly enjoyable for me. So at the end of the day, even if my day sucks, I know that I can put this together and it was all worth it. Because it's important to let people know not all days start out right. Not all days are good. You're going to have some days that suck. And it's up to you if you want to keep it that way or you want to adjust things and see it from a different lens. Again, this is real time and we'll see if I can make that happen. You're on.
That shit's hella widescreen.
Yeah. You have the thing on there?
What thing?
The like.
Oh, no.
Oh no, it's not.
This guy asked me if I wanted ground beef.
It's a meatloaf.
Ground beef?
Even something like that. Tacos too.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a hack that most people don't know. Most people, as in like most people that aren't Mexican. So when you're eating your rolled tacos, you know how you're fucking grabbing it, you're getting your little phalanges all dirty. So the trick is snag your fork, and then you gotta insert your fork right up in here, right up in there, okay?
You have to say, I'm going to put you down for a minute, guys.
No, I'm not putting you down. So look, fork is now inserted, as you can see. Then you're free to fucking pick that bad boy up. And then you just do whatever you want with this thing. Look at it, you want to dip it? We dip it. You can dip that thing. Look at that thing. Oh, fell off, but you get the point.
It's been a weird day. But again, day's not over. And even if it did end right now, it ended up being okay. I think it was just a bad start. No matter how your day's going, it's up to you how you want it to end up. If you want it to stay bad, then stay mad. But if you want it to get better, you kind of have to actively go out of your way to make it better, I think. At least for me. So one thing I would say is earlier, someone did come into the shop and she comes by periodically, but she told me that I seem as if my light is dim. And I'm not sure how she felt that. She does come from a religious background, but I guess what's interesting is I have this thing, I made a t-shirt before, it said shine light in dark places. And the reason I made that is because I feel like it's so important to shine light even when the world is dark. And I think right now there's a lot of dark times. A lot of people are in this dark mood. And I think it's just important to continue to shine light. Don't dim your light and just blend in with the darkness, you know? There's a lot of darkness going on. There's a lot of people in a funk. And I don't know. I gotta figure out how to brighten my light. Because she said that I'm on the block to have a purpose. And I'm not fulfilling my purpose. And she said, well, not that I'm not fulfilling my purpose. She just said, I have a purpose and my light is dim and it's not meant to be dim. So it gave me something to think about. And yeah. But I would say, shine light in dark places.